Hi everyone, this is Margaret from Blue Monkey Tea Shop in Pittsburgh. I will be making myself some iced tea today using Takeya Iced Tea Maker. This is awesome gadget. It's so easy to use. All you have to do is make half of the container of hot tea. You make it double strength and then fill it up with ice. Let me show you how easy it is. Nice and hot day today. Wow, 90 some degrees here in Pittsburgh. So I really want to make some nice delicious iced tea. I'm gonna use Miami Ice, which is one of our most popular delicious peach berry flavor. A lot of natural ingredients: elderberries, hibiscus, apples, papaya, whatnot. There's a lot more. We also sell rhubarb spritzer, cloud catcher, summer love, and many other teas. You can find them on our website. Just go to www.bluemonkeytea.com. So here is Takeya, the best iced tea maker in the world. Very easy to use. First, you will fill this up halfway with hot water, or not so hot for green tea. Follow instructions. 4 minutes. Hot water for black tea. 4 minutes steeping. Not so hot, about 180 degrees for green tea, only 2 minutes steeping. Fruit and herbal teas, you can steep with hot water, 6 minutes or longer. So this is a fruit tea, there's no actual real tea in it, so I can go as long as 6 minutes or longer. You will fill this up halfway with hot water, and then we're going to add 4 heaping tablespoons of tea into this nice long infuser. So 4 heaping tablespoons of tea, or it's equivalent of about 1 ounce of loose leaf tea, and per 1 quart or 1 liter of hot water. Once you have your tea and hot water ready, you insert this part and you steep, and then when it's ready, and I have some here I made a few minutes ago, all you have to do is just remove the infuser, and this gadget actually comes with a really nice drip catching cup. So there we go, and all you have to do now is just fill it up with ice. So easy and so much fun. These are great. They fit very nicely in the fridge. Once you make iced tea like that, it's good for about at least 3-4 days. And now all we have to do is attach the lid and flush. They call it flushing. So basically you just flip it back and forth, and you have a wonderful, nice and cold tea ready. Oh, I can't wait to have some. So this was it. I have to say this is a very good product. 2 thumbs up. Takeya Iced Tea Maker. Enjoy your summer.